Hi kids, today I am here for you some problem NCERT syllabus standard 5 parts and wholes chapter 4. In the previous class we were explaining about what you mean by a fraction. We did some examples, from that we made a definition like this. Fraction means the whole is divided into parts. The whole is divided into not only parts, it's divided into equal parts. After doing this problem, you will be very clear with the definition. Okay, shall we move to the topic? Myself, Femi Bijoy. See, 50 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. First we have to discuss 50 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. Then again 25 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. Again 20 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. 10 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. First we are going to think about 50 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. So I have brought 1 rupee here. I didn't get the exact 1 rupee, and this will be clear for you because 1 rupee is made with 100 paise. 100 paise means 1 rupee. So altogether these two 50 paise, we can say that these two 50 paise is making 1 rupee. So for making 100 paise, we need two 50 paise coin. So number of 50 paise, first we are going to think about number of 50 paise for 1 rupee equal to, you can count 1, 2, 2 50 paise is making 1 rupee. So 2. Again, we have to find out 50 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. That means part or fraction, part of this 50 paise. 50 paise equal to, how can we find out? In the previous class I told you total, that means whole number of 50 paise is 2. 2 50 paise is making 1 rupee. From this 2 50 paise I am selecting only 1. So 1 should be in the top and 2 should be in the down. 2 should be down. So 1 by 2 is the fraction of this 50 paise. Our next problem comes like this. 25 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. We know after joining these 25 paises, 25, 25, 25, 25, we will get 100 paise. So, number of 25 paise for making 100 paise or 1 rupee equal to, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of 25 paise joining together we will get 100 paise. But we want to find out part of this 25 paise. Part of 25 paise equal to, how can we find out? Total, that means whole number of 25 paise, that is 4, should be write down. And how many 25 paise we are selecting from this? Only 1. Only 1 we want to check. So 1 we selected. So 1 by 4 is the fraction of this 25 paise. Again, problem comes like this. 20 paise. In case of 20 paise, you can say that how many 20 paise is making 1 rupee? See, 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, then 100. 5 20 paise is making 100 paise. That means first step comes like this. Number of, for the third question, number of 20 paise for 1 rupee equal to, count it, 5. Then again part of 20 paise Part of 20 paise equal to whole should be whole number of, what is the total number of 20 paise? It should be down. That is 5 should be down. And how many we are selecting? Only once 120 paises fraction we want to find out. So we selected only 1. So 1 by 5 is the fraction of this 20 paise. If we are selecting, if we have to select 2 20 paises fraction, what will be our answer? Nothing else. Just write down 5 down. And how many we selected here? 2. So in the top we should write 2. That's all. But here we have to find out only fraction of this coin only. That's why we selected only one coin. Next problem about 10 paise. So 10 paises is making 100 paise. So I am distributing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 paises is making 1 rupee. That means 100 paise. Number of 10 paise for 1 rupee equal to 10. Nothing more. 10 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. That means part of 10 paise. How many coin we should select from these 10 coins? In the question they have requested us to take only 10 paise. So I selected only 1 out of 10. So from this example, so 1 by 10 is the fraction. From this example, it's very clear that fraction means the whole is divided into parts. Okay. Here in this problem, Rahim has to travel 1 by 4 kilometers to reach to school. What distance he travel to go to school and come back from school? That is our problem. See, I am going to draw a house. And school. From house to school, he is traveling 1 by 4 kilometer. 1 by 4 kilometer. And then he reached school. From school, he is traveling. See, in the evening, he is coming back from school to house. Here house, here school. Morning he is traveling 1 by 4 kilometer to reach to school. In the evening he is coming from school by traveling 1 by 4 kilometer. We are asked to find what distance he traveled to go to school and come back to school. So we just add these two numbers. That means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So our step comes like this. Total distance from school and from home to school and from school to home. That means total distance equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. If you are getting the numbers like this is called, see, this number is called the whole part. See, 1 and 1, these two numbers are called as whole part of this. So we can just add the whole parts first. That is 1 plus 1 plus, what is the remaining part? Here is a fraction. That means 1 by 4 plus, again here also one more fraction, 1 by 4. So we know how to add the whole parts. 1 plus 1. Taking these two. We know how to add. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. See, this is a square. Whole picture gives you a square and each picture also gives you a square. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. So if I am selecting one part means this is 1 by 4. We know it from the previous examples. This part is also 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4. These 4 1 by 4s all together you are getting one whole square, isn't it? See, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 we are asked to find out. So, this we are asked to find out. Means, see, think that this square is divided into two equal parts only. Like this. Then we can say that this is one part and this is the second part. So what will be the fraction of this part? If we are not thinking about these squares, what will be its fraction? Out of 2, 1, 2. Out of 2, we are selecting 1 means this is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. See, if we are keeping the squares like this, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, all together we will be getting as 1 by 2, isn't it? So, here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So, our answer is 2, 1 by 2 kilometer. We can do this like this. With the picture we got the answer 1 by 2, but actual calculation is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The rule is add the numerator. See, upper portion is the numerator and the lower portion we will call it as denominator. So, add the numerators, that is 2, 1 plus 1, that is 2, and write down the denominator as it is. What is the denominators are same, 4 and here also 4. So, just write down the denominator as it is. This is the rule. It came, I explained to you by the picture, the rule came like that. So, this I can write down as here 2 and here 1. So, 1 by 2 is the fraction. This is the way you should write the answer in the answer paper. I explained to you. See, 1 by 4, 2 1 by 4s are all together. We can call it as 1 by 2. Is it clear? In the next problem, Leda bought a pencil and a pen for 7 rupee and 50 paise. She gave 10 rupee. The shopkeeper gave back the money in halves and quarter rupees. What are the coins she got? So, first we can find out how many rupees she got back. Rupees she got back equal to 10 rupees she gave, 10 minus 7.50. We know that 10 minus 7.50 is 2 rupee and 50 paise, isn't it? 2 rupee and 50 paise is our answer. But we want to find out what are the coins she got. The shopkeeper gave the money in halves and quarter. So, to find out how many halves and how many quarters. So, here in the first column I am going to find out. This is the column for 50 paise and this is the column for 25 paise. So, for making this two 0.50. I can check. See, take 150 paise here and 2 rupees remaining. To make it as 2 rupee, we want so these 25 paises is making these 25 paises is making 2 rupee and this 50 paises is itself 2 rupee. So these all together we will be getting 2 rupee 50 paise. This is one way of arrangement. So how many 25 paises are here? 8. And how many 50 paise? 1. Then another arrangement is, see, instead of this 50, I can take 225. Then again remaining 2 rupee. To make 2 rupee, I will be taking 50 paises. See, 450 paises making 2 rupee and 225 paises making half rupee. That means 225 paise and 450 paise. In many ways you can make this arrangement that as you wish. I think this problem is clear to you. Thank you. Signing off, Femi Bijoy.